Hello, this is Mrs. Potachik, and I am here to talk to you today about how to use Destiny. Destiny is our online search engine for all the books that we have here at Prairie Ridge Elementary. When you first open up Destiny, this is the page that you will see. Up here you'll see a login button. You do not need to log in for what I'm going to be teaching you today. The very first thing that you'll want to click is this catalog tab right up here at the top. When you click the catalog tab, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. First, I would make sure that your location right here says Prairie Ridge Elementary School. If it doesn't, then you'll be searching for books at maybe another school or in the whole district. So you want that to say our school. Let's say you wanted to do a title search. You knew of a book title that you really wanted to see if Prairie Ridge had it. So what you would do is you would type in the title here. I'm going to use The Map Trap, a William Allen White nominee that I read this summer. It's fantastic. And if you know the title and you're going to do a title search, you will obviously click the title button. When you click that button, it says that we have The Map Trap. It gives me the call number so that I know where to find it in the library. And over here it tells me how many we have available. So right now there are 3 out of 4 available. And so I would know that I would be able to check this book out. I could go to this call number and find the book that I needed. Let's talk about another way you can search for a book. Let's say you know of an author that you just absolutely love, and you want to see what books that author has in our library. You would go to the search box and you are going to type the author's last name first. I'm going to use Ron Roy, who wrote all of the A to Z mysteries. So I would type Roy first, put a comma, and then Ron. Notice that capitalization does not matter when you are typing things into Destiny, but spelling does. So if you misspell something, it might say we don't have it when we really do. So you do have to know how to spell the author's first and last name. After you type it in, the last name, then the first name, you'll click on author. And as you can see, Ron Roy has many books in our library, as he has written all the A to Z mysteries, and there are plenty of those to choose from. Another way that you can search for books is by subject matter. For example, if you really wanted a book that had dogs in it, you could type dogs into the search box, click on subject, and this is going to pull up every single book we have in our library that has dogs in it somewhere, either in the title, as a character, somewhere in the MARC record of this book. It talks about dogs. And as you can see, there's about 29 pages to go through. So that's a very broad subject. But you could type in other things that you are interested in. The last and final way that I'm going to show you how to search books today is by series. We have many different types of series here in the library. I'm going to search for the Percy Jackson series. So I'm going to type in Percy Jackson in my search box. And because I'm not looking it up by title or author or subject, I really just want to know what books we have in that series. I'm going to click the series button. And it's going to show me that I have The Lightning Thief. We have The Sea of Monsters. I think we have books 1 through 5. And then don't forget over here it tells you what is available. Also, if you click on these, it will tell you when that book is supposed to be returned so that you would have an idea of when you might be able to check it out. I hope you learned a little something about how to look up a book using our online system, Destiny. You can use Destiny at home. It's web-based. In the library, I prefer that we use the iPads for Destiny because then you can take the iPad with you to go find the book. But searching by title, author, subject, and series are the four main ways that you can find books in our library.